Do you know many people are having trouble understanding bread maker cycles? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select Basic. Start by selecting the basic bread setting, which takes 200 minutes, perfect for recipes using white flour. Step 2. Choose French. Choose the French bread cycle if you want a crusty exterior. It runs for a total of 216 minutes. Step 3. Opt whole wheat. Go for the whole wheat setting to mix white and whole wheat flours, taking a complete time of 233 minutes. Step 4. Use rapid white. Need bread quickly? The rapid white cycle is the way to go, finishing in just 58 minutes. Step 5. Thick sweet. For sweet breads, such as cinnamon or banana, select the sweet cycle for a 202-minute bake. Following these steps, you should now be familiar with the cycle durations of your bread maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Black and Decker users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.